shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. Eyes and ears and mouth and nose. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes.
Welcome to that shit you thought you'd never see. I'm 19, living clearer than some clarity. My clairvoyance telling me we all just share a dream. I share it lucid, therapeutic when I care to be. I'ma balance out my fears on top this broken beam. Honestly, my conscience keeps my chakras up on Socrates. I can see this obvious disguise for mediocrity. Laughing my whole life away. Shit, I feel some type of way. Tighten up that rope and test the scope.
We got a crazy busy day today. I need to hire a new employee. We're working on our advertising now, so it's been really hectic at Kimlaw, but I like it when it's hectic. When it's hectic, I feel like I'm getting things accomplished. So things are definitely different at the office now. We are not the same small little boutique firm. We're trying to make some waves. We're trying to gain supporters. We're trying to gain fans of our law firm. So when something happens, they know that they can count on us. I want Kimlaw to become an institution of Atlanta. I want to establish it as the gold standard for personal injury law. It's got to be done one client at a time, one person at a time. We just got to get in front of people, show them what we're about, do what we're about. The rest will handle itself. So I need a recommendation for electric razor, bro. I've been using one, but it's for, I guess it's for your nuts. I've been using one for your nuts on your face.
That's what I recommended for your nuts. Why are you using that on your face?
I don't know. It's a close shave, bro, but it nicks you. What do you use for your face?
I just use a regular razor, old school style.
Oh, you know how to do that?
One way down and then one way up.
Oh, you gotta show me how to do that then.
It's just like a Gillette razor. I go down first.
Shit, I'm scared to use my razor now.
Season 3.
Oh, you watched it all?
That was in my field.
I didn't like season 2, but I really liked
season 3.
Really season 3 was dope.
Season 2 was lame. Season 1 was obviously.
I feel like in season 2, like I felt like the characters were like a little bit too young.
Yeah, they kind of like.
They were in a weird age phase. But season 3, they were like, I think they were like about their freshmen in high school or something.
And I think they really grew into their 80s roles. You know, they were kids being kids in a very small town, boony town. I loved it.
I like Stranger Things 3.
I want to pick up those sweatpants just because of that.
Yeah.
I didn't know they exist.
That's what
I thought like you like maybe went to a physical, but I was like, those are too new looking. They look like they don't have even been washed. I was like, is that by chance? I didn't even know it existed. You know, Stranger Things collabs with.
Good eye, man, because I don't know if I would have identified Hawkins because that's talking about my sweatpants. Stranger Things.
You know your boy got that X-ray vision for fashion, bro. I was like, oh, what the hell? That looks dope as shit.
My name is Eddie Kim. I'm an attorney in Atlanta, Georgia. I've been getting a lot of marketing emails from you guys. From what you're telling me, it seems like you guys act as connectors. You know, and there's no better recommendation than from a connector. Like, I could get on TV and say, hey, we're the best, trust me. But that doesn't ring as true, even though it might be, when someone else, especially someone with authority like you guys, say, hey, check these guys out. We're selective with who we work with, and if you've been injured in an accident and you're in Georgia, you might want to check out Kimlaw. That, I feel like, is a good, solid referral. The way I see it with advertising is, I don't care if it works. I have to sell out. I have to be somebody who I'm not, and I can't be proud of the advertising that I put out. And when people like mention it to me and I have to like hide my face or be embarrassed about it, I don't care how much money I make. Like, it's not worth it to me. I'd rather be broke, have advertising that I believe in, fail, than do advertising I don't believe in and be successful, if that makes any sense. Let me do a little bit more research on, and I'll give you a call back tomorrow afternoon, say 4 p.m. Oh, you know what? You're California time, right? All right. Sounds good. Talk to you tomorrow. Bye-bye. So this is super cool. Somebody had posted, who is the best lawyer for car accidents? When you scroll through the comments, Kimlaw is mentioned over and over and over again. And even I've got former clients just fighting for me, arguing with other people, which I definitely don't argue with other people. And you know what, there are other good attorneys too, so But I do appreciate my former clients, my friends, my family, people I don't even know, rooting for us, supporting us, fighting for us, and saying all these great things about our law firm. And it warms my heart. It lets me know we're doing what we're supposed to be doing. And thank you so much to everybody that's been giving us support and love. I really appreciate it. It means so much. It was awesome to wake up to. I'm actually here with Kevin, and he's an amazing client. We had a great case with him, and he was really happy with our services. I just want to talk to him and have him share what it was like being represented by us.
Hey guys, so I'm excited. I'm happy. My previous experience with attorneys is not good. I'm just being honest. Based on my experience dealing with other attorneys, and not just personal injury attorneys, but other attorneys in general. A lot of them don't give their law firms a good name. But let me tell you, Kim Law, you guys are just number one in my book. I am telling you guys, every dealing that I've had with everybody in this law firm has met and exceeded my expectations. Now, you may think, oh, this guy here, he's just, blowharding, out because, hey, he's just a happy-go-lucky guy. No, I'm one of those people that if it ain't right, I'm going to tell you that it's not right, okay? I don't mince my words. I tell it just like it is, okay? You can think whatever way you want to think about me, but the one thing I am is I'm very truthful, and I'm all about doing what's right, okay? Anybody that knows me, Kevin Anthony White, go ask, okay? Check me out. That's who I am. So when I sit here and tell you that Kim Law is the law firm, any personal injury that you have, they will work in your behalf and fight for you and do it in excellence. I'm telling you the 100% truth. So once again, I want to thank Mr. Edward Kim. I want to thank all of his people. Everybody has been above board and excellent with me. Even though, whatever I had to say, they listened to me. They wanted to know. And let me tell you about Mr. Kim. I'm here to pick up my check. Yes, here's my check, okay? I'm here to pick up my check. All he had to do was bring me in, sign the documents, and give me my check. Tell me have a nice day. But let me tell you guys, he sat down and wanted to know about me. He sat down and we just had a great conversation. I don't know, 30 minutes or so. He could be doing anything. He decided to sit in here and have this conversation with me. So I'm floored about him as a person, his character, his conviction about what he does and meeting the client's expectations. We had a whole philosophy talk about it. So guys, I'm telling you, this is the law firm you want to come to. I'm not getting paid to do no infomercial or nothing for them. I'm just here telling you what my experience is. Call me on it. Kevin Anthony White.
Thank you so much. Man, that was incredible.
That was great.
Great, guys.
Thank you so much, Kevin.
Hey, anything I could do, man, I appreciate you guys. And that's real.
I've come to the conclusion that to run a business, to do really well, you got to make friends. It's all about friends. I want to make 1 million friends. I don't want to make $1 million. I want to make 1 million friends. Because if you got 1 million people standing behind you, supporting you, rooting you on, you're going to be successful in anything that you do. So don't focus on money. Focus on friends.
I'ma balance out my fears on top this broken beam. Honestly, my conscience keeps my chakras up.